And where'd you see this stuff about this wash reclaim? Whose video was it? Okay. I wasn't on for a couple of weeks because I had some construction going on in the house. How accurate is this strategy? So it's got to reclaim half the. It's got to reclaim half the candle. Yeah. Okay. Man, that fucking dip got bowled right up.
DWTX.
As a gift to our viewers on YouTube, I am making one free chapter available for my Warrior Pro curriculum. This is the course
Besides UPXI, we do have a few other options. We got MLGO, which
DWTX is
let's just say it's not a fresh
that?
ticker. This one's been in play for a while, so it's a little frustrating.
Spiking up.
We got EVGN, which right now doesn't look that good. But if it gets some volume, I like the price. I like the float. SBFM.
Fiddling with my settings and I missed that.
DWTX.
Going down the list here, what else we got? SHFS. The only problem with this is the float's just a little high, but it is actually just right there on the. It is just right there on the cusp. SHFS. And there's not really any news on it, unfortunately, as well, though. Hatif, Bibby Moore, good morning. Yeah, I just got these new glasses. I don't know. I don't wear glasses, but they're supposed to block the blue light, which apparently is not good for you. What time is it? 9:19. Yeah. So, anyways, gap scanner. I don't know. RSLS.
Yeah, I loaded some stuff up yesterday with this.
Yeah. I wish it wasn't. I wish it wasn't this price. I like the float. I like everything about it, but
you have to. There's a
price
test
is
that
not
they give you.
my
I
favorite.
have to set up my charts and stuff.
This does have
If you
room up
pass the
to
test,
70.
If you hit $2,000,
I guess that's a pretty good run. If you can get up to 70. Good morning, Atar BZ. Good
you
morning.
get to keep 50%.
I gotta get my mushroom coffee
again.
80% of your winnings. Fucking DWTX for some reason is fucking going.
1 minute.
Good morning, traders.
It's
I want to go back to bed.
news, I think.
I actually woke up at
Yeah, but I don't see any news or
5:30
anything.
feeling good, and then I
It's
went
just
back
going.
to bed. Hello, people. This is good. This has been.
Maybe I'll put
Who's
it on.
this? Some of these people don't know who I am. People are getting exposed for not
I need to
being here very
hold
long.
that. Like I keep selling too early. Like I could have made 20 more cents on that.
Right.
I bought at the exact same spot. Oh my god. I sold it at 562.
I know it's not easy.
Enster
holding
says
this thing,
hi.
You know?
A lot of people say hi. Trading sis.
Damn. I think like if it flushes down, I mean like we still have like 20 cents of room, you know? Like why sell?
I
Okay,
found
where were we?
myself, having
So
the same
anyways,
problem,
we'll see
especially,
what we get today. What's kind of
anything when I
working
went
for
to, like,
me
larger
is
share
kind of
size.
letting the chop out,
you know, holding those winners.
and
is
then
not,
at the
not
start of the
easy.
day, and then half
'Cause you know, I don't want it
hour
to
to
turn
an
into a
hour
loser
in,
pretty
you
much,
know,
so.
sorry, things tend to smooth out a little bit more, which is nice.
Yeah, look at that flush down. Yeah. I mean I
Can't
would have
see
gotten out
anything?
before that
Good.
flush. I would have gotten out at like
Yeah, we'll close the blind in a
Yeah.
second. I just need a little bit of vitamin. I just need a little bit of sun for like 2 minutes. We'll close it. We'll close
I'm
it.
out. I'm out, no matter what. But like, if it's just going up with no drawdown, like, what am I? Like, why am I selling that? You know. Is it going again? I kind of want to size up, but I need to not do that.
Yeah, when I size up, I get fucked. When I size down, I do really well.
All right.
Watch reclaim.
Yeah, we live in the desert, so the sun is all we get.
I mean, it's not Christmas tree at least.
Let's go back to UPXI. Unfortunately, that's
Hey, was Bugsy on last week?
well, not unfortunately, but we do have a wedge
Huh?
forming here.
Hey,
We gotta
Mazik.
keep an eye open for that.
Morning muzzle.
Oh boy,
What up, dude?
EVGN is dumping. That sucks. Hopefully it comes back. I was really kind of hoping for that one, but
Yeah,
it just doesn't
I
look
went in
good.
like breaking the heights.
RSLS, it's still looking
Should've, would've,
decent,
but it's pretty good. Pretty good.
but it barely moves. It's like a penny. Every pop is like a penny. That's it. That's like a that's like a big pop for that one. SHFS, this one I'm hoping
And it's funny because
somehow fires up. It's just on the edge there at 23 million point 3. And so it's definitely within what I like to trade, but usually less than 20 million is better because the higher the flow, kind of
There it goes again. There, get it.
the let's just say the patterns don't work quite as quick, a little bit more, I don't know,
I
you could
guess
say
if you
choppy
Look at the MACD trying to look out for it now.
in some ways.
Like 5 minutes to the
Sure.
open.
PXI there really having a
So,
run.
Maybe if it goes 1081, we were
So-
gonna break that high spot.
Morning, Mike.
Breaks, this breaks 11, 15, 12.
And I need to go. I need to break
gotta chug
1081,
this
hold 1081.
coffee.
Then we need to break. We need to see if we're a push at 1136 ish.
Yeah, at least these spreads on UPXI are a little bit big.
I'll go to the
MULN.
next one. With Bugsy, dude.
What do you think about
I don't know.
scaling profit by $1, starting from $1 per day until I find a
MLGO.
Wall.
I'm trying to move what the fuck.
yeah, I support
I'm
trying to get $1 a day. Proving consistency with small size is always is the way
DWTX
to
just
go.
made a round trip.
If that's what you're saying.
Wait, can you
I
hear
agree.
me? Can you hear
And
me?
in some
It's a Sandra?
words,
We can hear you.
I can hear you.
All right, because I'm trying a new mic.
you don't want to rush it,
Ba-da-da.
but
Is the quality better than before?
I guess there is no
No.
but. I shouldn't say but.
Same shit.
All right,
It's
so let me
worse, I
look at
think,
big picture
but
UP.
It's still
It's
going.
looking like a
No
head and shoulders. That's
way.
kind of the problem right
Is it
now.
better now?
We do have the Apex at $12 a
Right?
share.
I think it does.
I
Exactly.
feel like we'll hear more background noise.
That's
I
pre-market
can
high.
hear like
Okay, so we might have that run up to 12
What
from
do
where
you
we're
hear?
at
What do you
here.
like I feel like we'll be able
Um,
to hear more background noise. I just get a feeling, you know.
So we'll see about that. The
What
choices
background
today I'm
sound?
not
There's
really
nothing-
super in love with
Hello.
overall.
Can you
Yeah, I
hear
can
that?
hear you. I can
And
hear
again,
you.
kind of coming back to what's been
That's my
working for
mouse.
me is
I'm fucking smashing
letting
my
the
mouse.
chop
Hold
kind
up,
of
hold up.
take
Let me see
place
if the gain is
and tread lightly.
You need like a noise gate or something.
Try to get some money, obviously. But it seems later in the day is when
Well, the mic has a
Money is made
has a knob for the gain.
down $100 already.
It's literally set to the lowest.
Oh my god! Don't increase that shit.
I know. Hold on, let me increase it a little bit. Let's see what it does.
You can put a noise gate on.
Yeah, this mushroom coffee, this is real nasty.
How about now?
It's bad.
You know what else is moving really well is this
There we go.
RSLS, but
Thank
again,
you,
kind of coming back to the price on it
I
being a
got a
little
meeting at
lower. kind of sucks.
What do you do?
You know,
Mark?
it dropped down to 45, and it's
Product
been
manager.
fighting for 5 minutes to go for 3 pennies. So you definitely, your share sizing is going to have to be adjusted for this. Just as we're going to have to adjust it for
What's that?
UPXI.
Wait, can you hear that?
Yeah, we can hear that.
What is that?
MLGOs
What
maybe.
is
Here's
it?
some music.
Wait, you can catch the music? What the fuck is all the
SHFS again, kind of coming back to this one. I was kind of
That's
hoping
what I
this
mean,
one
man.
would hold. We got kind of this
Morning, guys.
huge
Shut up.
support at about
Morning.
370.
Hello.
Potentially, we could bounce off that and get a run up like this. I could see the pattern going. I mean, these are just patterns. So definitely a potential for that.
PWTX.
Although if all the attention's on another stock,
Bounce.
then maybe it won't happen.
UPXI? What up, Michael? You're still doing the what's it called? Oh my god, futures?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
chugging the mushroom coffee, hoping we get some.
I looked at the prop firm rules and then I was like,
This is real
eh.
mushroom coffee.
So
This is
I,
just
um,
mushrooms. So the
I
taste is.
put a much
Yeah, taste
smaller
isn't that
amount
great.
into a Ninja Trader account, and I'm gonna try trading with that. So,
Hey, Michael,
All right.
which prop firm were you looking at?
Apex.
Alright, so I was also looking
Ex-Cali
at
drop.
something,
What'd you say?
about prop firms.
Go and ask anyone on my
what was
team.
the
They'll
split
all
they
say
were
the same
offering?
thing. Monday CRM makes them better at their job,
Tastes like
and they're
dirt.
closing more deals than ever.
90/10,
Yeah,
but they had
We
all
wanted to
these
grow as
rules
fast
or-
as possible, and
One of the other ones does taste like coffee because
couldn't
it
do.
is like coffee, but it has
So,
mushrooms in it. This
You
is
couldn't
just
you
mushrooms.
couldn't risk more than a certain amount per trade. Like,
So
Well,
45
there's a-
seconds to the
there's
bell. We got a
max
Monday
loss
after a
that
long
they don't want you to
weekend.
go past.
yeah.
So there's
We'll
this
see what
prop
we
firm
get,
I was
guys.
looking into. It's,
I don't have anything I'm super
from Clay Trader.
excited about. UPXI obviously
He's
will be
endorsing
probably
it.
the main ticker,
Hold on
but
a second. Let me pick up this
we'll
phone.
see how the
He gets a
lag is
kick- a
today.
kickback from that, by the
UPXI
way.
looks like the market's down a little bit today.
Like a lot of the
We're in a little
futures
bit of
trading
a-
platforms are
I guess
Kinda
I
scams.
wouldn't say a recession. but
Actually, Clay Trader, isn't it the farming fucking trading, right? It's a little bald guy. Is
Yeah.
it him?
Um,
Yeah, I used to follow him, but to be
I-
honest, I don't.
We'll see what we
I
get
don't
here
really
today.
trust
4 seconds to
I
the bell,
just-
guys. So say
I
your prayers.
disappeared
We're about to go in.
last week 'cause I was
FFM.
See what we
chasing
can get.
the motherfucker that had my dad's car. So,
stole your dad's car. Clay trader.
What
well,
happened?
my dad has
NB.
Alzheimer's, and Dad gave him permission to
IPM.
use the car. It was only supposed to
SUNE.
be for a few days. The guy had it for 2 months. So, yeah.
Oh my god, dude, careful where you UPXI.
UPXI.
Just careful with it.
I
Oh
should've
my
went
God.
bigger size
Sheesh.
there.
Auto halted.
Whoa,
SHE
whoa,
will resume at
whoa.
9 hours 35 minutes and 20 seconds.
That
MLG.
trade I should've went bigger.
Clay Trader. I
CING.
mean,
That
he
was
used to
it.
trade
That was the
stocks
opening
and
surge.
options, and he just
ATPC.
switched to,
Typically do
trading
that.
futures
FLWS.
in November.
XXI.
He's
CHRO.
doing very well. This prop
OMEX.
firm, they have like 2 different plans. You could do
DJT.
80%. You get to keep, or 90%, depending which. But first, you have to pass their test.
A little bit slow on the order
The
fill.
trial, they want
RIOT.
$119
GRAB.
for the month, and you have to
PDD.
hit
VSH.
the goal, or
BE.
if you blow the account, then you
NFLX.
close it out. It's like
NEOG.
if you're gonna be trading
APG.
a demo.
APLD. TEM. COIN. CLSK.
Christine,
LXEH halted. SLH will resume at 9 hours 36 minutes and 2 seconds.
Okay,
WULF.
UPXI went up to $11.
SLI. AGL.
BE. NFLX. UAMY. TEM. SOFI. PDD. NU. SLI.
MGNX.
Phil?
7:30.
GURE. PLTR. TEM.
Oh, nice, nice, perfect. Yep, yep, yep.
WULF.
Yeah, I was trying
SLI.
in Calgary.
NU. SOFI.
A little bit bigger of a cellar up there.
RIOT.
BAOS.
Nah.
PLTR.